There's free ways and then there's paid ways to find SEO keywords. Free ways, so everybody can go to the Google keyword search tool. It's a free tool available to everybody. You can pick, for example, let's say you sell a certain product. Let's say it's a pre-owned Rolex watch, right? You're selling that. You can, for example, go to Google keyword tool and put that keyword in there. And then Google will give you a list of the actual search terms that people are putting on Google, right? And then you can pick the one that has a higher volume, and then you can create landing pages for those specific keywords. Another way you can do it, if, for example, you have some budget, is there paid tools such as SEMrush or Ahrefs or any alternative. And those tools pretty much do the same thing, but what they additionally give you is they tell you the complexity of the keyword. So, for example, if you find a keyword that is buy pre-owned Rolex, let's say that is a keyword. If you go to SEMrush, they would give you, for example, also the complexity of ranking for that keyword based on how many more competitors there are and what those competitors are doing. So these are the ways you can find the keywords.